again I'm here. I'm Nehali. Thank you so much for your yesterday's vlog support. And those who have not done yet the subscription, please go ahead and do subscribe, like, share. And lot more interesting is coming. And especially I am making a video for you all. Because from one of my friend, I got to know that, I know basically you will not understand Hindi. That's why I'm making once again a video for you all. And thank you so much for your love and support. So today's vlog is all about how to boost your immunity. You can boost your immunity by taking only homemade food. It is not necessary that you should expend a lot more in the market product and all. You can boost your immunity by eating homemade food also. Because this pandemic is going on so much that it's very important and very necessary to boost your immunity. It all depends upon your immunity only. So, from the topic of my vlog only, you have understood that what is going to be in this vlog. So, first of all, here comes the medicines. So, always first say no to medicines until and unless your doctor prescribes you. Yeah, if you go to the doctor and your doctor says, yeah, your body lacks this type of vitamin or this type of calcium or anything which is lacking in your body, you can take that medicine, but not of your own. Because so many people I have met nowadays or meeting nowadays, they are just taking vitamin C, vitamin D, and I have asked them why you are taking these type of tablets without any doctor prescription or without any, without any consult of doctor. They say, yeah, because of this pandemic we are facing, that's why I am taking my vitamin C, or I am increasing my intake of vitamin C or D or any type of these vitamins. So we should not do like that. So first always say no to medicine until and unless your doctor prescribes you. Next comes the way of eating. There are different ways. Some like junk food or some like homemade food, and the time also matters a lot at what time you are eating, because everybody wants to lose weight. So losing weight is not a big deal, but today's world losing weight has become a taboo, but it should not be like that. Ways of eating, portion control, how much portion control you are doing it. It all depends upon that. When you are eating, how you are eating, how much portion control you are doing it. It all depends upon that. So always include in your diets greens, sprouts, veggies, soups, nuts, fruits. Okay, you have to use these things, or you have to use these type of food materials in your everyday life, or intake of these greens, sprouts, veggies, soup, fruits in your everyday life. Then only you can boost your immunity, because at this time boosting your immunity is very much important. Okay, as for losing weight also, it all depends upon, if 100% is there, then 80% is your diet and 20% is exercise. So almost everything depends upon your diet and lifestyle, plus lifestyle also matters a lot. So if there is a snacking time, so snacking time you can eat a handful of nuts or a bowl of soup, any soup, maybe a veg or non-veg, any soup, whichever you prefer or whichever your family members prefer, you can have that also. But don't buy a market soup. Please do make it at home. I know nowadays everybody is busy at home, kids are at home, husbands are at home, mothers are very much busy. It's all hustle bustle, all lifestyle have gone ups and downs, there are lots more. But still be little bit of creative in your kitchen. Be innovative so that you can help your family members and you yourself also. Help yourself also. Not only your family members, your kids, your husband, yourself also you can. I'm repeating, yourself also. Boost your immunity by having these types of diets, by including veggies, sprouts, soups, nuts in your diet. So you have to remember always these. And if your kids or your husband is a fussy eater, or any member of your family is a fussy eater, you can give them a pizza, give them a burger, but in a healthy way. If you are using a white flour, don't use that, just use a whole wheat flour. Make it at home. Don't buy from McDonald's or any type of restaurant. I know it's quite easy, but please do make it at home. Because I don't think so in nowadays dining out is very good or dining out is safe. So please do make it at home by using a whole wheat flour, or by using a whole wheat flour mixed with spinach puree or any type of vegetables puree. Kids will also don't get it the taste of that, or husband also don't get it the taste of that, and you will be happy that your kids, your husband or family members have eaten the vegetables or any healthy items. Add a little bit of flaxseed or any healthy things. You can do it in that. Or if you want any type of recipes, please do comment me in my comment section. I will definitely show you the recipes, or I will give a written recipes to you all. If you want it, please do comment me. And now here comes the lifestyle. How you are living your life, it's very important for weight loss, also for very important for immunity, to boosting your immunity. Sometimes we are lack of awareness. We didn't read anything, we just go to the market and buy the product. And once if you try to read the product, at the back of the product, the label if you want to read it, or if you are aware of any product, just read it down. What are the contents in that product? Most of the drinks just contain a 90% sugar. If you have not done yet, please start it from now onwards. If you want to make juice, please use juicer. If you have it, then make use of it. Make most of it use. Okay? Sorry. Lifestyle. Lifestyle matters a lot. Nowadays, our life has become a havoc due to the lockdown, coronavirus and everything. We are just at home. Our life has become a hustle bustle. Days have become night, night have become days. Sleeping late, waking up late, not doing exercise, just eating the junk food. These all habits we have developed. So we should give a bad habit and adapt a good habit. I think most of you have listened this rhyme. Early to bed, early to rise. Makes the man healthy, wealthy and wise. Early to bed, early to rise. We should adapt this habit. If you wake up early, then you can do exercise, you can get the morning fresh air. Don't go outside. I'm not telling to go outside, go in the park. I'm not telling that. Just be in your house. You can do a little bit of exercise, little bit of meditation, you can do it. In your home only you can do it at these all things. So please do it at your home. So please adapt in yourself. Early to bed, early to rise. Early to bed, early to rise. Then only possible when you will sleep early. Okay, before going to bed, at least 1 hour before going to bed, keep your mobile away from you, TV away from you. Then only you can sleep early and you can wake up early fresh. At least 7 to 8 hours of sleep you need. A normal human being needs 7 to 8 hours of sleep. So it's very necessary for your healthy body, healthy mind also. And if you feel fresh, then you can work whole day very lightly, or taking up each and every situation very lightly. You can handle everything very nicely. Especially I'm talking to mothers. Mothers can do very nicely. And mothers have a patient a lot. Do trust me, this is true. So please stay away from mobile at least 1 hour before going to bed. Like you say, before while losing weight, you should give a 1 hour gap of eating before going to bed. In the same very way, you should give 1 hour gap of going to bed. Don't use mobile, don't use TV, just switch it off, all the lights and everything, and then go to bed. And make a rule, because everywhere we follow rules, like school, colleges, hospitals, everywhere we follow rules. Why not in home? In home also we can follow rules. So go ahead, make a rules. I know it will be difficult for some time, for a week or month, maybe month also, but eventually it will become a habit to do it. So go ahead, do it, trust me, this will work. I'm telling you these things because I'm also a mother of one kid. She's my daughter, She is just 3 years old. That's why I'm telling you, and I'm telling you by my experience only. So this is it. Hope you like it, my video, and if please go ahead, like, subscribe, share. Lots more interesting is coming, and please press the bell icon so that my latest video notification will reach to you. Thank you for watching me. Hope you like it. Please tell your friends and family to subscribe, like and share. Press the bell icon. This is Ummehani signing off. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.